And welcome back to Grateful Rescue TV. We're here with Tom Doc from Noah's Animal Hospital. Hi, Tom.
Hi.
We're going to talk about allergies today.
Itchy pets, so many of them all around.
Itchy pets. Yep. We have two itchy pets right here.
Oh, I heard this one here is really itchy too, just like Harry.
Yep. And both of them come from rescue, and they both came to us with hardly any hair.
Yep. And here's the thing. It's not just mixed breed dogs. It's not just purebred dogs, even cats. 20% of the animals that go into a regular veterinary office on a daily basis have some sort of skin issue.
Wow. And what do you do for that?
Well, there's lots of things. First of all, you've got to get an examination done, okay? If your pet's chewing, if you see dark saliva stains on their paws, if they're itching constantly, if they're keeping you up at night because of their itching and chewing, then you need to see a veterinarian. First and foremost, make sure that they are on some good flea and tick control, okay? Whether it's dog or whether it's cat. All pets in the household need to be on flea and tick control because that's the most important issue here. It's the most common reason that dogs are itchiness.
Yep. He had, Reese had the allergies from fleas as well. So.
And the thing that's so scary sometimes is we get multi-pet households and people say, well, look, Reese's so itchy, but I don't see any fleas. Well, Reese's really good at catching fleas. Because it bothers them that much, okay? The other pets may not be itchy because the fleas really don't bother them that much. So always check all pets in the household. All pets need to be, including indoor cats, need to be on flea and tick control all year round. Right. So there's new medication now out. Apoquel is one. And Apoquel is basically it binds up one of the enzymes that continues the itch scratch cycle. So imagine Reese here, okay? Her skin gets damaged and allergens get in, whether it's the flea bites, whether it's pollen, whatever it is, okay? And it sets off a whole cascade of events, right? Inflammation, all these proteins, all these cytokines come out, and she gets itchy, so she scratches. And the scratching damages her skin more, which allows more stuff to come in, right? And you got this cycle. So when we have something like Apoquel right here, the Apoquel medication actually takes one of those enzymes out of that equation, and then you don't get the signal of I'm itchy. And so they calm down. Dog owners say within 4 hours, they calm down.
Reese's on Apoquel. It works very well, yes.
Yeah. And it's something that she's probably gonna need to be on lifelong unless you go to a dermatologist and do allergy testing.
It's a game changer, I'll tell you that, for her.
We also have Cytopoint. So Cytopoint is an injection, okay? So you do need to get this through your veterinarian, but this works a little bit differently. You probably know friends that are on Humira or different biologics on the human side.
Yes.
This is very similar. It's called a monoclonal antibody, but it's for dogs. And it also does the same type of thing. It takes a different enzyme or cytokine and binds it up so that we don't get that sensation of itch altogether. One injection can last up to 6 to 8 weeks.
So when someone sees their dog itching, the first thing they should do is call their vet, and they'll be able to narrow down what the cause is.
Right. They can talk about, does this happen just seasonally? Does it happen year round? We can look for fleas and ticks. Another thing while you're waiting for the veterinary appointment, when they come in from outside, hose off their feet with cold water or take a baby wipe and wipe it off. That a lot of times will remove a lot of the allergen.
I never knew that.
Right, and that'll make it less itchy until you can get in and start talking with the veterinarian about what's really causing this.
Wonderful advice. So contact your vet if you have any problems. And Reese believes in the allergy medication. So
well, she looks a lot better from what you were saying with her not having hair. And it can make a huge impact not only on their quality of life, but the human-animal bond too, because you're not kept up at night. You see a dog who is happy and full of life and enjoying life, and that's the important thing.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Tom.
Sure.
We appreciate your help.